Hi everyone, I'm Nina and welcome to my art channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about the mental game of drawing, right Misa? And I came up with 5 P's that are supposed to make you a better artist. So hit the like button and let's start this video. The first P is patience. If you've ever watched my tutorials, you know that I always say that patience is key. If you ever wonder how much time it takes me to make a realistic drawing, then it's 10 plus hours, sometimes 20, sometimes 30 or even more. So just take your time, slow down, make every detail as perfect as you want it to be, and just, you'll get there. The next P is people, and to be more specific, positive and constructive people. Try to surround yourself with people who inspire, uplift you, and who give you positive feedback. Unfortunately, even family members not always do that, but that's okay. Just try to, not engage with them as much about your art and stuff like that, and try to, surround yourself with fellow artists, art communities, try to collaborate, try to create that positive environment yourself. And by the way, since I mentioned art communities, I have one. Hello everyone from there. Hi Raji, hi Zeni, hi Sony, hi Andy, hi Tracy, hi everyone. Okay, so the bottom line is surround yourself with inspiring, kind and constructive people. That's really important. Right.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares.
The third P is practice. Regular practice helps you to develop your skills and just, get better. So Jonathan once told me that if you dedicate 1 hour a day to practice drawing or something else, then it's 365 hours a year, and that's a lot to learn and to improve, So set aside time each day to practice, to develop new techniques, to push your boundaries, to explore something else, and I promise and guarantee you will get better. The next P is perseverance. Everyone makes mistakes, but it doesn't mean you have to give up every time something goes wrong. You have to keep at it if you want to achieve something, including being a skilled artist. So embrace challenges and push through. And the fifth P is passion. Let your passion guide your artistic journey. Explore new subjects, experiment with new styles. Let your imagination run wild. When you create with passion, your artwork becomes a true reflection of your unique perspective. You have to enjoy what you're doing.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and
And the bonus P is pets. Pets make everything better, right Misa? Including your art life. And this is the end of my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I hope you found this video as helpful as my tutorials, because, I think those 5 P's are really important. And see you in the next video, guys. Bye!
I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get